Hello and welcome. I recently followed the Odin Project curriculum and it was a fantastic experience. At first, I was quite skeptical when I saw a lot of good reviews on Reddit and YouTube. It seemed too good to be true. But when I actually tried the program, it was such a satisfying experience. This is exactly what I wish I had when I first learned web development. In this video, I will go over 3 main reasons why the Odin Project is an excellent resource for beginners who want to learn coding. Without further ado, let's dive in. First of all, the Odin Project is free, and I really mean completely free. There's no hidden cost on the website. A lot of programs claim to be free, but they only provide some free content so that people can pay for their main courses. The Odin Project is an open source program designed to teach self-taught developers how to code. Not everyone has access to a computer science degree nor the fund to attend a coding bootcamp. So this program is created for people who want to hack it on their own. But that doesn't mean the quality of the content is bad. It's constantly updated with trendy content, and from my opinion, it's very close to what real software developers do on the job. They will teach you a lot of things that real software companies will train you when you work on their projects. For example, they have a detailed lecture that shows you how to use the Google DevTools. You will use it on a daily basis as a software developer. The second reason I'm attracted to this program is because it focuses on project-based learning. If you have watched my videos, you know I'm a big fan of building projects compared to reading books or watching tutorials. This course teaches you exactly that. They will have mini projects at every step, and the projects become harder as you progress through the course. This is the best way to build your problem-solving skill. In addition, the course teaches you how to be resourceful. They do have a Discord server where you can reach out and ask questions, but they expect you to do the research on your own before reaching out. They want you to put in the effort in solving the problem first before asking for help. This is an excellent mindset for a good developer. You cannot expect to be good if you cannot solve your own problems. And finally, they have a dedicated course that helps students land jobs. They cover a lot of things I wish I knew when I looked for my first job. They teach you how to write a resume, how to network effectively, how to build a portfolio, where to find jobs, etc. Moreover, they also provide some resources that help you prepare for interviews. You also learn several important mindsets that can help you well prepared in your job search journey. I highly encourage you to complete the entire course. It should be about 1 to 2 hours of reading. It's very practical, straight to the point, and no BS. That's it for this video. Those are the 3 main reasons why I really like the Odin Project. If that's not enough to sell you, then I don't know what would. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. That supports the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.